F-22 Raptor piloted by Major Dan Dickinson and an a United States Air Force F-35 Lightning II piloted by Major Will Andriotta.
Part of the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, these fifth-generation stealth fighters are ready to defend our nation's skies and dominate the battle space anywhere on the globe. Ready to aim high, fly, fight, and win. As
our friends at Trueline Industries and Constant Aviation, watching the show in VIP comfort, we welcome all of you here. Kids, if you ever thought about flying a model airplane, well, you can learn all about it at the Cleveland Aero Modeling Society display. They have a large exhibit of model aircraft, and you can try your hand at flying a model plane in a simulator. Whether you want to hear the whine of a turbine-powered jet, learn to fly a helicopter, pilot your own giant-scale aircraft, or enjoy a quiet afternoon soaring your sailplane with friends, the Cleveland Aero Modeling Society can show you how to become involved. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this time we'll ask you to draw your attention to our announcer stand. Joining me on our stand is a man that talked to you earlier today, President of the Board of Trustees of the Cleveland National Air Show. He is Mr. Charles Federoff. But more importantly, Charles, as you and I and this great man come off towards the front on our right, this guy on my right that you can see here, his name is Dan Biggs, folks. Today, we recognize and honor and thank Dan Biggs for an amazing 27 years of service to the Cleveland National Air Show. Dan started out as a volunteer back in 1981, and by 1986 became the Director of Air Operations. He served in this role for a total of 23 years. His responsibilities included everything from managing the aircraft and performers participating in the event to working closely with the FAA and the Department of Defense. In addition, Dan assisted the International Council of Air Shows in developing its first Air Show 101 training class, where he was an instructor for 10 years. He also served on the International Council of Air Shows Safety Subcommittee and was the U.S. State Department Flight Planning Liaison for
the narrator of the flight demonstration, as well as the pilot for the key influencers and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Captain Corey Mays, Blue Angel number 8 from Cape Cod, Massachusetts, serves as a Squadron Naval Flight Officer and Events Coordinator. Commander Bob Flynn from Morristown, New Jersey, serves as a Squadron Executive Officer. Lieutenant Sam Rose, our maintenance officer from White House, Texas, is responsible for the men, women, and equipment that keep our aircraft flying. From Arlington, Virginia, the Blue Angel flight serves as Lieutenant Commander Joe Schwartz. From Carbondale, Illinois, our supply officer is Lieutenant Greg Bollinger.
Oh, they're coming down here.
From Longmont, Colorado, our public affairs officer is Lieutenant Joe Huff. Our Boeing technical representatives are Mr. Jack Rout from Fort Worth, Tennessee.
These are the solo
Mr. Todd
pilots.
Lawson from Tigers, Oregon, and Mr. Lady Harnischbecker from Nantucket, Massachusetts. Our financial management tools are Ms. Elizabeth Stassman from Kaysville, Utah, and Mr. Maura Valentino from Hazlet, New Jersey. Now, to the left, Commander Bernacchi calls smoke on, off brakes, now, burners ready now, and the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. And you'll notice as they pass before us, the smoke is not visible while the engines are in afterburner. Completing the half cube at 80. As the Diamond accelerates in the descent, they acquire the necessary airspeed for their next maneuver. The Diamond will experience up to 4 times the force of gravity to complete this looping maneuver. Back to the right, Blue Angels 5 and 6 are rolling. Blue Angel number 5 will complete the dirty roll on takeoff, while Blue Angel number 6 executes a precise slow transition and pitches up vertically at 6 times the force of gravity. 4 aircraft. From the right, the Blue Angel Diamond